What's up, everybody? It's Cheddar Chaz, and today we're going to be talking about how to Instagram creatively with this app I found. So recently I came across this app called Vimage. It's very similar to a cinematograph, except there's already preset animations that you can overlay onto your photo. So it's taking a video and an image, hence the term Vimage. Now there's a paid and a free version. The free version has a watermark on it, but you can use those for your story and the watermark won't show. I actually used it for my stories at first, and I really liked the app, so I ended up buying the app. The app is pretty simple to use. All you have to do is open it up. It'll take you to a home page with all your preset photos that you made previously, and there's a little button on there for you to go to your gallery. You can select whatever image that you want to select. After you select that, you'll have a whole range of effects that you can add onto your photo: snow, water, fire, particle effects, dust, sun rays, the list goes on, and they update it throughout time. After you get done adding the effect, you can mask out your subject to only have the effect happen on a certain part of the picture. So that's one of the best features about this. I don't like that it's a square, that you can't get that nice wide fat long Instagram photo. That would be the only thing I would change about this app, but it's pretty dope. So after you finish adding whatever effect that you want to add, it's pretty simple to share on social media: Instagram, Facebook, or you can save it to your gallery. So that also comes in handy. That's it for this video. I'm Cheddar Chaz. If you guys liked it or it helped you out, drop a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because we got videos coming every single week, all the time. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Keep it easy, stay cheesy. Peace.